Hi, I'm Sean with ID Engineering, and today we're going to go over the Easy Check by iGaging, and this is a handy tool for measuring like a mini height gauge, or you can use it for things like the fence on a table saw, or the measuring the height on a bit on a router, or the distance from the fence. So we'll show all of that to you in just a second. All right, so let's open this guy up here. So, comes in the good packing material here. Okay. All right, and there it is. It looks like a little mini height gauge. So, and of course it can be used as a height gauge. So, sample if we measure this 246 block here, so we can see that it reads not 2 inches. Yeah, I need to set it. So first thing we do is let's just set it to 0. It does have a magnetic base on it, so it'll stick to anything metal. So stick there, and then push 0 to 0 it. Okay, so now we're zeroed. All right, let's measure the height of this gauge, or this gauge block. All right, so now we can see that it's 2 inches. Imagine that. All right, so here we're at the table saw, and we want to measure, the distance between the fence and the blade. Okay, most of these have a measurement on the side, but that's not really that accurate. So we're going to use this guy to give us an accurate measurement. All right, so we can first loosen that there, and let's put it against the, let's put it flat against the fence. Okay, and then we'll zero out. Oh, it's already zeroed from last time I used it. Okay, and then we want to measure to the actual blade. Okay, and we come up with 4.001. All right, and now that's the measure, but you have to subtract a 1/4 inch. Okay, so the thickness of this blade is 1/4 inch. Right. So it actually is 3.75 inches from here to there. And see, because you're not using the same side, so but it's accurate to a 1/4 inch right there. All right. All right. Another thing we can do on the table saw is actually measure the height of the blade. Okay, and so if we take this and measure down, then we can see it's 2 5/32 height. Okay. So here we are at the router table, and I'll show you what we can do here. So let's zero it out first, and yeah, we're at 0. Okay, so then we want to check the bit's height. Okay. Actually, let's just go on top of the blade itself. All right, so we got a bit height of 59/64, and that's above the table. Okay, so now if we want to measure how far the blade will come out from the fence, we can actually rotate on the side like this. Right, and put that flat against the fence and run there. Okay, so now we're 2 3/32 from the blade to the fence. All right, now if you want to know where the center point of this bit is compared to the fence, then we'll need to raise this bit up a little bit. So let me do that. Oh, other way. All right, so I raised the bit. All right, and this bit has a 1/4 inch drive, so I select 1/4 here. So we've got 1/4 and 3/8 and a half for the different sizes. So make sure on the 1/4. All right, put the 1/4 against there. All right, and that'll give you the distance of the center of the bit, and that's 1 47/64 right now. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the review of the Easy Check gauge by iGaging.